this is Clara. Welcome to my sweet DIY, and in today's video we're starting part 1 where we'll be crocheting a classic granny square. Part 2 is going to be super fun. I'll be upcycling a jacket and adding these granny squares to give it a fresh, creative look. So make sure you stick around for that. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and comment. It helps the algorithm show it to more people, and your support means that I can keep making videos faster. I work full-time, so your help means a lot to me. Thank you for your support and for hanging out with me. Let's dive in. We're gonna start crocheting the magic ring. For that, we're gonna wrap the yarn around our finger like so. We're gonna insert the hook under this strand of yarn, and we are going to yarn over and pull through, and there you have the magic ring. Now we're gonna start with chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. This counts as double crochet throughout. And now we're gonna make 2 more double crochets into the ring, and this is the first group of 3 double crochets. Now we're gonna chain 3, and this is going to form the corner space. And now we're gonna continue making 3 more groups of 3 double crochets, and this is going to be the first double crochet, the second, and the third double crochet. This is our second group. Now we're gonna make chain 3 for a corner space. Now we're gonna make 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and the last group of 3 double crochets. 1, the second double crochet, and the third. And now the last chain 3 for the last corner space, and we are right here at the end. And now we're gonna slip a stitch in the third chain from the beginning chain 3 to join and to close the first round. Now we can pull tight and close the magic ring. Now we're gonna fasten off because we are following this color combination. We're gonna go ahead and continue with the beige color. I'm gonna fasten off right here, and I'm gonna start right in the next corner. I'm always gonna work facing the right side. I'm just gonna join my yarn. I'm gonna make a slip knot to secure the yarn, and I'm gonna join right in the corner or chain 3 space. I'm gonna chain 3. This counts as double crochet, and I'm gonna make 2 more double crochets in the same chain space or chain 3 space. I'm going to make chain 3, and this is for the corner space. And now I'm going to make the next 3 double crochets in the same chain 3 space. Now we're gonna go to the next chain 3 space, and we're going to repeat 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, and that's going to be in each chain 3 space or corner space. So let's do that. This is going to be the first double crochet, second and third, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Now we repeat in each of these corner space, and I'll meet you guys right at the end. And right here at the end, I'm going to make a slip stitch in the third chain from the beginning chain 3 and join, fasten off, and close the second round. And now we're gonna start and join the new yarn. We're gonna make a slip knot and join the yarn right in the chain 3 space or corner space. Make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to make 2 more double crochets all in the same space. And now we're gonna chain 3 and 3 more double crochets in the same chain space. Now, if you notice, we have space between the groups, and in this space we're going to make a group of 3 double crochets. This is 1, 2, and 3. Now we go to the corner space and we're gonna make 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Now we go to the space between the 2 groups and we make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. So this is going to be the pattern. We're going to continue around. When we finish the color, we continue as many rounds as we need depending on the project. In this case, I did 1, 2, 3 more rounds, but of course, depending on the size of the granny square you need, you continue with as many rounds as you need.
I was looking to the